blast it out. I only have one more bowl left. I almost got it! Are these mini tennis balls? I think they are. No more balls. Did you see that? Did you see that? I'm so hot. Yeah, me too. Look, airplane.
Want some snacks? What do you guys want? Are you hot and thirsty? Yeah.
What's this? What's this?
It's a snow cone maker, guys. I made snow cones. Do you want some? You want one?
Yes, please. Yes.
Okay, guys, we got the syrups out. We've got cotton candy, grape, bubblegum, berry cherry, pina colada, and blue raspberry. Okay, just scoop yourself up some ice and get it into your cup. Okay, once you get your ice in, you can put your syrup on. Jamie, you take a turn and get your ice.
I want cotton candy.
Ooh, look at that. That looks great. Is it good?
I want them.
How does it taste?
Really good.
Yeah. Jamie, what one do you want?
This. Very silly. Oh!
Uh-oh, don't make it a river. What kind is that? Do you want a snow cone, Elizabeth? Oh, the boys want some syrup. Yeah. Is that syrup? Ooh.
Mommy.
Yes. Ooh. Yummy.
And I taste a little closer.
Mmm.
Derek, come here.
Yummy.
Derek,
Eat. No.
come here, Derek.
Ooh, is that Alyssa's? Alyssa, look. Auntie made you a snow cone. Ooh, she's like, I don't want to try it. Okay, the rest of us will have to eat that one. Is it good, Leia? Say bye-bye. Bye.